The commander-in-chief of the Ukrainian army, General Valery Zaluzhny, published on Twitter the first official footage of U.S. Himars missile systems at battlefields in Ukraine. The general wrote, "These weapons are in the good hands, dear Americans." Ukraine claims that the weapons are hitting targets, military targets of the enemy, or the Russian forces. The weapons were just delivered to Ukraine this month. Russia's invasion has dragged on for months, and although the fighting has now recently been focused on the country's eastern regions, the artillery war has escalated. American-provided howitzers are being used in heavy shelling operations between Ukrainian and Russian troops in the Luhansk region, but Russian forces scored a major victory this weekend, taking the city of Severodonetsk. Much of the city was reduced to rubble due to the fighting. Although the capture of Severodonetsk gives Russia control of most of Luhansk, Ukraine still controls several strategic sites in the region. Ukraine is hoping the new weapons like Himars can help reverse fortunes in the war. The weapons systems are some of the most advanced that the United States and other allies have supplied to Ukraine. Their tactical advantage comes from their mobility. A Himars system can fire its 6 rockets, relocate its position, reload and then repeat throughout a combat operation. They can fire at a range of up to 43 miles away. The United States previously promised that the Himars would not be used to target territory across the Russian border. The New York Times reported this weekend that a network of special operators from multiple nations are working with Ukraine to direct the flow of new arms to the nation's troops, as well as provide training when needed. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. He's doing the job every day.